Hey everyone, if you're new to delivering with Uber Eats, understanding delivery zones is crucial to maximizing your earnings and minimizing your downtime. Here's a quick breakdown. First is what are Uber Eats delivery zones. Uber Eats divides cities and regions into zones, which are geographic areas where orders are grouped and dispatched. Each zone has its own demand level, cover a specific delivery radius, and may have different payout rates or promotions. Now, how to find the best zones? Just simply open the driver app of the Uber and then tap map view to see the shaded areas indicating active zones, like dark red or purple zones, which is high demand. And then use spots. Uber suggests hotspots where orders are frequently and pay attention to time. Peak hours are like lunch, dinner, and see higher demands in specific zones. And don't stray too far from the central restaurants areas. And after a delivery, if you drop far away, navigate back to a busy zone and then use the destination filter if you need to stay near a certain area but still want to work. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.